Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another video. It's not just any video though. This is a video that's going to be, first of all, thanking all of my subscribers who've been with me for the last year and a half or two and subscribing and sharing the videos and reposting the videos. I do appreciate it so much. But this video is going to be introducing the winner of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway that I did. So you had to enter the video to actually win, and I did this whole giveaway with raffle counter. So this is a random drawing. I had raffle counter actually do the winner, and they drew everything for me. So I didn't randomly pick this myself. This was done by the computer. But without further ado, I want to go ahead and introduce the winner of this, and the winner is Miss Virginia Cook. You have won a Still Made USA griddle. I want to thank Still Made USA for helping me out with this and giving one away for me. They've been a great partner all along and hopefully continue to be a partner. But Virginia, all you have to do is respond to the email that I sent you, and you'll get that griddle in the mail. So I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. And for everyone else, there'll be more giveaways to come. So be on the lookout for those. But hey guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe all my videos as you've always been doing. Great support, and I do appreciate it. This is Bigtone signing off. Peace.